From the border area, you have to go down to the mall, underground, and you can see this fine food court. If you want to take that taxi around Zhuhai, China, or someone will pick you up going to the place, you can get off here. That's the vehicle area to pass through to travel anywhere in Zhuhai or in China. So this is it. I've been here for quite a long time, but only this time that I have a chance to be here. So this is it. This is the mall under or after the border, Macau, Zhuhai. See, you can buy a lot of things, change money here, buy some more. You see, I'll show you. From there, you go. They have money changer secretly. Yeah, from there. That's the immigration area, the border of China to Macau, and from Macau to China. This is it. So this is it, sunset. Yeah. Now it's getting a lot of people coming here. You can buy a lot of things here, just like food, bread, delicacies, China delicacies too. And then, see, many. This is huge actually. They have the things there, and here and there. But no bread today. I'm going to have a foot massage today. Let's see. I have to cross this place to another road up there. So this is the center here. Can go to another way, can go here, but I go straight to make things easy. This is the counter area. You have any questions if you get lost? But I think I'm not lost. I just wanted to pass by in this area to show you many things about here. Yeah. But also this time it seems that it's quite expensive, some of the things here, so I don't buy here. I just pass by, you see. More to see, but no enough time to spend to look around. I just passed through to get to my massage shop. No, not mine. To do the massage. You see? Go to the north. I go to the north gate 1. Yeah. Always like this. You can have it, but I prefer to go up there. Let's see. The day is not young. It's early. They have also this, but it's not good. See how big it is. It was a great day today, but the day is not yet over because I haven't done my massage. See, I have this thing I don't like. Yeah, anywhere. Here you can buy many things. Thank you for today with my friend. It's okay. I'm getting out because my foot aches already. Very tired. But this is it. More to see next time. Many hotels outside, but this time I won't be sleeping here because it's better to rest at home. Yeah, I'll go there to have a foot massage. See ya.